everyone. Have you ever wondered how you can transform your front yard into a beautiful garden? I'm Claudia with Prosper Garden Design, and today I will show you one of my designs. I hope this video helps you to get good ideas to work on your own garden. This house is in North Texas and we are in zone 8. This front yard is facing west, so it's gonna get all the afternoon sun. In Texas, the afternoon sun is very, very strong. So first we add the red bud tree. So this tree is very common here and it blooms very early in the spring. It has these beautiful pink flowers and then during the year it's just gonna have green leaves. Then next to the house we add these evergreen bushes. In this design I have used boxwood. So we're gonna add three of these boxwood in this side of the flower bed, and then on the other side of the house there is just a small flower bed that we are gonna use the same plant. Um, so we are adding here these three boxwood. Even if these two flower beds are no, of course they are not symmetrical, but we're gonna try to use the same plants in both of them. So now we're gonna add the daylilies. In this video you cannot see when I select the plants, but here are the daylilies. These daylilies are toxic for pets, so you need to be very careful if your dogs eat your plants. So it's better to replace those with other plants, like it can be also the coneflower. That would be a good option there. We have a lot of bunnies here, so I cannot use cornflowers on my designs because the bunnies eat them. So now here we are adding the sun patient. This is an annual here. I love these flowers because they are good in shade and they are good also in full sun. And they come in different colors: dark pink, like purple, light pink, white. So is very, I love to use those on my designs. Now we're gonna use the same day lilies on this side of the flower bed. So the day lilies in winter, they are not gonna have the flower, but it will have the leaves. So is a plant that it will show interest in winter. So we are just adding one on each side of this flower bed. Now we're gonna add the grasses. These are called Mexican feather grass, and I love to add grasses in the flower beds because it creates movement. So sometimes I have to work with flower beds that has a lot of bushes, and so is I love when I add the grasses. It makes like more natural. So I like these Mexican feather grasses. They don't grow very big. They are maybe 1 feet and a half, so it's perfect for this size of flower bed. Now we are adding the butterfly bushes. These are from Proven Winner, the one that I'm recommend. I know that butter butterfly bushes are not allowed in some states. Here we don't have that problem. And these, if they are the proven winners, those are no invasive. So you can use them also. This type of butterfly bush will grow just maybe 2 feet tall. So it's perfect for this side. Then I add the lamb ears. Lamb ears, it has a beautiful leaf that is kind of silver and it has a very nice texture. Now here I'm adding the society garlic. I love this plant because it has like a beautiful lavender flower, and is very good for full sun, or in this case the wet side also. So it's the same that the lilies, in that in winter they won't have flowers, but it will have like the leaf that it looks like a type of grass leaf. So I like to add um, a group of them so it looks very beautiful. They do very well in this area. Now we're gonna add the annuals, the sun patience. So we mirror from the other side of the flower bed. So we use the same sun patience. These um, sun patience can be planted like around May, like in the spring, and they will last here in Texas until the first frost around November. So I like to make groups of three plants. So now we're putting the one on this corner, and then we have on the left side, we have next to the boulders, we have two, and behind the boulders, it will be the third one. And now we are adding in the front. That's it. This is a very simple design, but it was gonna look very, very beautiful. Okay, these are pictures of the plant that I recommend for this design. Sometimes my software doesn't include the exact plant that I need, so I need to choose plants that look very, very similar for my designs. And then during the presentation, I show my clients pictures of the real plants. Okay, this is it for today. I hope that you like this video and you got good ideas for your garden. Let me know if you have any questions and if you try any of these plants. You can send me pictures and I will be happy to see your new gardens. Happy gardening. See you soon. Bye bye.